This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable Do Not Track on the Thorium web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Thorium web browser opened up now. To enable or disable Do Not Track, first thing you want to do is go to Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to go down to where it says Third-Party Cookies and click on Third-Party Cookies. Then at the top here, it gives you the option to allow third-party cookies or to block third-party cookies. If you scroll down a little ways, you'll see an advanced section, and in the advanced section, send a do not track request with your browsing traffic. If this is toggled on, do not track is enabled. If it is toggled off, do not track is disabled. That is how to enable or disable do not track on the Thorium web browser. Thanks for watching.